Welcome guys, today I am with the Jabra Elite 85T and I'm going to show you how you can activate pairing mode on these earbuds. So the first, you have to remember to charge them at least to the 50% before the pairing. Next step, just open the case and take them off. When you make it, you can click on left and the right, and when you make it, as you can see, this indicator right here, it's activate. So we can go for the pairing mode. You have to clean hold both earbuds until one of them start blinking on the blue. So keep holding. As you can see, the right one is blinking, so we can release the buttons, put them back, but don't put them to the charging case. And next you have to open Bluetooth settings on your Android smartphone. And as you can see, the Jabra appears right here. In my case, that's the default name, but in your case, when you pair them for the first time, they will be the Jabra Elite 85T. So click on them once, click pair, and as you can see, right now I'm successfully connected. So yeah, that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.